video, guys. In today's video, we are going to be filming at FS 2001-130. We are at Spring Hill Middle School right now. We got the walkie-talkie again. Like, I think we did it December when I said I got the walkie-talkie. If you guys come over here, you can see the FS 2001-130. This one looks a little big, but yeah, these protect my ears. Yeah. Shout out to RC Dude 2007. But yeah, we're gonna see. We're gonna get this one for RC Dude 2007. So let me give you. If you guys want to turn around and look at the school, there it is, and look at our Rivian. So this is my favorite siren. I like Thunderbolts, modulators, and especially 2001-130s. Those are the best sirens ever. We actually saw a Thunderbolt in Henrysville Fire Department. If you guys want to go check that out, I'll make a short about it. I always test these, like, I get my other walkie-talkie, I do a test on it, on mine. I just make sure it works. So now we know this one works. So if you guys are excited, I want this thing to get maybe viral or a bunch of likes. Let's see if we can get one of those. Let's see if we can get more views than the modulator in 2001-130. So yeah, if you turn around here, there I think is a baseball or football. I believe that is a baseball. And I believe over there is football. I don't know. But yeah, at middle school, I don't know why they don't have playgrounds. Comment down below if you hate school. I hate school. It's boring. Especially homework. That's the most annoyingest. But yeah, I'm excited. My stomach, whenever I feel scared and nervous and happy, my stomach hurts.
It's called butterflies. You get butterflies.
Yeah, call it butterflies. So whenever the siren goes off, it's not gonna be too loud. If you get these, like 508, just go buy some earplugs. It's not that hard. Comment down below if you like my new haircuts. I don't like it. I'm just kidding. Well, whenever I don't brush my hair, I look like Vector.
So why do kids like sirens?
Probably they're probably like me, so they probably saw the video and they're like, what is this? So they probably press on it just like I did, and I was like, ooh, I like the sound. So I started getting addicted to it, and I was like, Dad, is this a tornado siren? And I'm like, yeah, that's how you say it. So yeah, and then I started getting addicted. I play Minecraft, I start making sirens in them.
Hey, what's your gamer tag in case people want to join you on Gorilla Tag? You've got a Gorilla Tag channel?
If you want to join me, my fan code in Gorilla Tag is CJBL. That's my fan code. What time is it? 12:57. All right, it's almost home, guys. Comment down below comment down below if you're scared of sirens when they're about to go off, because that's me. I'm scared. fishing. So it went off, but yeah, it's not supposed to be facing over here. It was facing over there. So it should have been facing over here. I don't know why it's facing over here. But yeah, I hope you guys like the video. And please get us to a viral video. See you guys in the next one.